So finally, there is a good news that the One UI 6.1.1 update is now rolling out on the S22 series, including the Samsung S22 Ultra. Previously, this was only limited to the Samsung S24 and S23 series. If we talk about the history of this update, so this update was first introduced with the Samsung Fold Flip 6, and then they decided to roll out into older devices including the S24 and S23 series and some older Z Fold and Flip 5. But now finally there is a good news that it is also rolling out on the Samsung's Galaxy S22 series. As you can see over here from SemiWire, we have that the S22 series is finally getting the One UI 6.1.1 update. Currently it is available on some limited regions and it will be soon rolled out on the other regions as well. But the good thing is that the update is here and it is rolling out. Talking about the update size, so this update will be 1st August of 2024 security patch with the update size of 2.8 gigabytes, which will bring in some new features to your device including the sketch to draw. I'm really excited about this sketch to draw image, by which users have to draw a rough sketch of an image and that rough sketch will be converted into an AI generated image. This sketch to draw feature is the one I am most excited about. Also, if you remember that with the One UI 6.1, Samsung introduced this interpreter app by which you can live call translate. So if you're talking to someone who do not speak your language and they do not speak your language, so your and their voice will be translated, breaking the language barrier. So this feature is now rolling out on the other apps, as previously this was only limited to the calls app. Also, there are some more Galaxy AI features included with this update, and also you will get to see some more enhancements and improvements in the already existing features. By the way, there is another feature that you might be missing out. So with the circle to search, as we know, you can search for anything on your screen, but now there is another feature by which you can search for the background music as well. By simply clicking on this music icon, you can search for any song that is playing in your background. This is a really handy feature as you can identify any song that is playing in your background by simply clicking on this icon. Also, this One UI 6.1.1 update will come with the name of One UI 6.1. You can check for the update by going into your settings and then selecting software update, and then you have to select download and install. From there you will get to see this new update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this good news that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is getting the new update. Also, do let me know in the comment section that have you got the update or not yet, and if you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.